Hello. This video will introduce how to deal with animations. Firstly, locate the skeletal mesh of your character. Right-click to create an animation blueprint. After creating the animation blueprint, double-click to open it. Navigate to Class Settings, set its parent class to search My Army Anim instance. Once set, in front of the output pose, right-click. Continue by searching for My Army and select the Anim Sequence Group node. There is no options, let me compile it first. Then, right-click on its variables and find the Binding Variables section, bind the first anim name to My Army's play anim. Next, bind the speed to the variable you've set. Finally, connect the output node to the output. Click Compile. Here, select the anim sequence node you created. It's the custom node, you can add sequences to it, add as many as needed. Think of it as a storage group for animation sequences. Let's take a look at 3 animation sequences. I've randomly chosen 3 animations for demonstration. You can ignore the other parameters at now. If you want the animation transitions to be a bit smoother, you can increase the value of the blend. With this, the basic setup of an animation blueprint is complete. Here, please notice, we've just created an animation blueprint asset. But we haven't set it in the character blueprint, so, in anim class here, first, select the animation blueprint we just created. While keeping it selected, switch to the character blueprint. Set the anim class to the recently created animation blueprint. Compile again. Next, open the character blueprint, which is the My Army Agent proxy blueprint. Here, we've already set up some logic. Normally, when it's less than the 100 frames, agents will play this animation. When it's greater than 100 frames, we play this animation. Finally, we added a global play speed random range from 0.1 to 1.25. After making these settings, you can click the play button. You'll see a random animation playback result. The speed rate is also randomized. When the current frame is greater than 100, it switches to the next animation. Please notice. For instance, let's clear all the logic. We can also randomly the initial animations. Let's fill in the logic for playing animations. For example, let's randomly choose 2 animations. We can use a vertical line to separate multiple animations. For instance, here, one is the cast animation, and the other is the running forward animation. Then, go back to the level and click the play button. You'll see that 2 animations are now randomly played here.